Good day, good people. And another book which I want to draw your attention is Russian Masters in Nunabane and Kava. I think it's a kind of encyclopedia of flower making from silk and leather, where there are a lot of tutorials from experienced and skillful people. Content shows a lot of various flowers created by different artists. Each masterclass has a very detailed directions. Following them, you can easily understand how to create wonderful flowers. At the end of the book, you can find information about the instruments, fabrics, dyes and patterns for all flowers presented in the book as well. The quality of the content, paper, photos are very high. The book is intended for craft people and also can be designed gift.